Hey, my name is Dr. Augustine. Today is a follow-up video to a previous video that we did on how to lose weight. And that included detoxification, intermittent fasting, and the ketogenic diet. So today we're going to drill down more onto intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet, whereas I'm going to give you an example of what I do for the ketogenic diet. Some really good concepts to notice or remember is the lower you can keep your blood sugar, insulin, and cortisol, the slower you're going to wear out your body over time. And today, 1 out of 3 people are pre-diabetic, so huge reasons to be doing this process. Intermittent fasting is absolutely amazing because it's going to also help with blood sugar, but there's a really critical window. We like to look at it this way. If you eat at 10 a.m. for breakfast, 1 p.m. for lunch, 6 p.m. for dinner, you're going to go 14 hours until that next day of intermittent fasting, which is perfect, whereas you're going to be fat burning during that time. So let's look at this. Ketogenic diet, why is it so great? Why is it so important? Is because if you put in protein and fat with each meal, fat's the critical ketogenic diet aspect. Eating fat helps you to lose fat. But eating fat also makes you very satisfied when you eat, so it's easier to get away from starch and sugar in your diet. And starch and sugar are fat storing, raises your insulin and makes you store fat. Not good. Let's talk about the ketogenic diet before we look at these 3 days. Eating fat never made us get fat. Matter of fact, the only reason that we would get fat is because of eating starch and sugar, which raises our insulin. Insulin is a fat storing hormone, so the center of the ketogenic diet is eating good fats. Good fats, not bad fats. Bad fats, canola oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, things like that, not so good. Great fats would be coconut oil, butter, olive oil, avocado oil, really, really good fats for your body. Ketogenic diet, fat has twice the energy as sugar does, so you're going to actually have more energy when you do the ketogenic diet. Plus, it's the most anti-inflammatory way to eat. So now let's get into the three days here. We've got breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Day 1, we're going to have bacon and eggs for breakfast. Who doesn't love that? That's just absolutely amazing. I actually do bacon and eggs every day. I don't change it up very much, but here are some different options for you. Bacon and eggs for breakfast one day. Day number 2 is an omelet where you might throw in some veggies. You could throw in spinach, you could do garlic and onion, however you'd like to make it taste good. You can also throw in some cheese into it too, cheese is both protein and fat. Over here, day 3, eggs, tomato, and feta. Give you some little taste differences there. So that's breakfast. 1 p.m. lunch, meat salad. Always critical to put protein and fat in every meal because it helps to really stabilize your blood sugar. So a meat salad with olive oil, the really, really good oil for your heart and your body. Day number 2, Cobb salad. Cobb salad has in it vegetable greens, it has diced up eggs, it has bacon in it, and you can throw in anything else that you'd like as far as not starch, but protein and fat. So Cobb salad on day number 2. Maybe day number 3 would be salmon and veggies. Sounds really, really good. Salmon's going to be probably cooked in butter. Now let's talk about dinner. Dinner is going to be steak and vegetables. Here's another example. Day number 2, cheddar broccoli soup. Notice that cheddar is going to be the protein and fat in it. The broccoli is going to be some good vegetables. Over here, day number 3, chicken and cauliflower mashed potatoes. Now, cauliflower can be blended up to make it taste just like mashed potatoes. You have to throw in some spices there, but it's going to be really good. So you get the protein, and you can also put some fat in that too. You can put some cheese in it, right? For snacks, almonds, day number 1. Day number 2 can be macadamia nuts. Day number 3, a keto green smoothie. Now, the ingredients in that might be 2 handfuls of, say, spinach. You put some coconut oil in there. You could put some coconut milk. You can put some heavy cream in there. Really, really good essential fats for your body. And that's the 3 days. So you'll notice here the essential part in this way of eating is protein and fat with every meal. Why? Because it keeps nice, stable blood sugar. Also, critical is drinking plenty of water to be able to process the protein. You don't need to be doing high protein, but adequate protein each meal. And you do this, you're going to have very, very significant changes in your body and your health. If you'd like to know more about this process, please contact me. I'm on social media, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Phone number, 562-860-3404. Also, email would be draugustine@gmail.com. My name is Dr. Augustine. Have a great day.